Hey guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to GoMahamad.com, and in this beautiful tutorial we'll be learning why you should not use any kinds of shared hosting for your websites. Number one, there's an issue in the website traffic. Number two, website performance will decrease if you're going to use shared hosting. If you're using some better hosting, let's say cloud hosting, I don't even think so VPS is good. I mostly recommend dedicated servers, but those are quite costly, so I'll guide you some best cheap cloud hosting in another video. That link you'll find in the description box. So let's see the real difference. Let's say if this is my website, if just by changing my hosting I could able to get 97% performance score, and loading time is just 2.9 seconds. If you'll check for this one, for desktop is 92%, and for mobile my theme is actually not optimized for mobile design, so I should use AMP in the case if I'm not getting any good performance, but I'm not using AMP yet. If I'll go to my Alexa, this is the real fact you're going to see in your websites. Let's say if this is my Alexa ranking trial, and when you see from March, it's like moving slowly. There's not any much rapid increase in the graph. It's moving slowly. But if you look at this point, it's May 29/20. My Alexa ranking was 147,387, and there's a steep graph from this point till today. And I took more than 20 days to create this video because I need the real proof to show you something. Basically, those who are running a e-commerce website, they should definitely change their hosting, because e-commerce website, fraction of second difference can create a difference, can create $1,000 difference per minute in your sale. Alexa varies with the traffic. If your website traffic increases, your Alexa rank will increases. So let's have some real experiment on shared hosting and some better hosting. Now I'm going to choose two pages from my website. Number one, the front page, and any of the blog from my website. I'm going to choose the test the speed. So front page has a lot of things. They're like almost more than 100 video I'm loading on this page, so might be there will be a speed performance issue. So first I'll choose this link, then I'll go to developers tool, I'll paste the tool and say analyze. For this one also I'll start testing. I'll test for GTmetrix, then I'll choose for tools pingdom. Okay, or till then we'll select one of our another post. That is, let's say this is the last post I've written, so I'll copy this link. So the things are there, like many things are there, many of the images are there, even videos are there. So I'll copy this post, and again for the second, this one I'll paste and analyze. For this one also I'll analyze, say bus. Okay, verify. Next, go to GTmetrix, again analyze this link, and then for tools pingdom also analyze the link. Okay, now I'll go to first page result, that's 41, and if I go to this one, this page is 33 for Google page. When I'll migrate, the speed will be different, so you'll see a difference in the speed. For test speed, I need to wait for this one, I guess. For this one, they're still running. GTmetrix is also running. So we'll go to tools pingdom, and there we can see the performance is 82. Okay, and the loading time is 3.62 seconds before migration. It's for Washington DC. Okay, for North America, this post is 2.8 seconds and performance grade is 87. So this one is done. Next, for this one, it's 11.2 seconds and performance is 61 for GoMahamad.com, and for this one performance is 97 and the load time is 6.5 seconds. So we need one more test, that is this one. Here the load time, the first byte is 1.96 second. For this one is 1.692 second. Okay, so these are the first byte. Now we'll test the speed once the migration is done. So let's move on. I'm skipping the process for the migration. For migration process, you'll see another video that is there in the description box. Till then, I'm stopping the video. Now guys, my website migration is done. So now we are going to test our website speed and compare what is the difference between them. Now this was my first page and this was my second page. For this I was getting 65 for desktop version. For mobile version also we'll check. Till now I'll paste my home page URL to analyze, and I'll get my second URL and I'll say analyze in this box. Till then I'll open GTmetrix as well as web page and Pingdom 2. Now in the GTmetrix also I'll paste my URL and main website URL collect from here, and I'll paste again in this area. I'll say analyze. Still they are moving with calculate result. Okay, now for this one is done. It's for mobile is 72 and for desktop is 91. So let's get back to the page which says Sky Leads mobile exit intent. Sky Lead mobile exit intent for desktop is 65 and for mobile is 33. Now it's become 91 and 72. So there's a lot of difference between the speed. For home page, I'll see for home page mobile version is 42 and for desktop is 89. I'll go to my this page and for mobile version is 41. There's a slight increase in the mobile version, but for desktop there's a lot of difference, right? So basically for mobile version I recommend AMP plugins. That link you'll find in the description box. That will going to increase your website speed mostly. Now we'll go to GTmetrix, and GTmetrix result is 98% for this particular page, and for VoiceLow is 89. Okay, now we'll go to GTmetrix. For this particular page it was 97 and 87, and now it's become 98 and 89. It was really a big difference for us. And for full load time is 1.8 second, and here its full load time is 6.5 second. So see the difference between the timing. There's a slight increase in the percentage because you cannot increase much percentage, it's almost around 100. Okay, but the timing is 6.5 and here timing is 1.8. Let's see the difference for the home page. Home page is 61%. The reason is that we are loading a lot of videos on the home page, but still the percent is 61 because let's see, if I click here you'll see a lot of image optimizations are coming, lot of blog pages we are loading on this particular page. That's why it's 61%. And for VoiceLow is 83% and timing is 4.1 second. Let's go to the home page for my GTmetrix, and here it's 61, 80%, 11%, just half of the timing we are able to load. So see the difference between the using a better hosting and using a shared hosting. Earlier we were on shared hosting. Now I'll cancel off these two. I hope you got the difference between these two. I'll cancel off this one also, so we get a space there. Now GTmetrix also. Now our next tool is Tools Pingdom. So I'll copy this and I'll paste here. Again I'll do the same thing for Tools Pingdom, and I'll do the same thing with web page. Open 2 times, one more. Okay, great. Now I'll copy the website URL and I'll paste in this one, and I'll say for North America, San Francisco, scan this, and for web page also scan this. Okay, now I'll try to get my another URL. So this was my URL and this was my URL. So this one, so this was my second URL. I'll paste it here. Now they are continuously waiting, so we'll have a look over the which one is almost done. Okay, this one is almost done. For our home page, it's 1.5 seconds loading and 78% great performance there. So let's have a preview of our old one. Okay, it was Europe Germany, so we'll check for Europe Germany how much we are getting. Okay, Europe Germany Frankfurt. Okay, for this one also we should test North America, and this one is North America. Okay, so both location varies, guys. If the location varies, there's a difference between the server point, and the distance increases, there's a difference in the loading time. So that's why if you'll maintain location same, then it will give you a perfect result. So now you can see the performance grade is 78. Earlier it was 82. Okay, there's a slight decrease in the performance, but what is in the load time? Okay, load time decreases. Is 3.6 second earlier, but now our load time is 2 seconds. There's a just half difference in the load time. Okay, we'll have a look over this one, and it was like for North America 87%, and load time was 2.8 seconds. Now for this one, R is 87% is there, but the load time is less than 1 second. It's 924 milliseconds. So it's worth buying, guys. Worth moving from shared hosting to high grade servers. So we are no more using shared hosting, so I'll cancel this one too. And for web page, we tested, and it was like FFAA, and the first byte was 1.692 second. Okay, for this one we check always first byte. When we check earlier, it was 1.692 second. For our this page is 0.314, just 3 times of this whatever we were using now. Okay, see, it's not 3 times, it's 5 times less than what we were earlier. See, 0.314 second, and here is 1.92. see the difference, and see it will going to create a lot of difference in the traffic. So the traffic video I'll also create in this video only. It is going to create a lot of traffic difference, because Google measure every single by seconds. Okay, if 1 second difference in the loading, your website will be, I don't know, on last page or somewhere in the 20th or 10th page. So speed matters, guys. So this one we got SkyLead. Okay, next we have for our home page is 1.96 seconds, and for here also home page is 0.35 seconds, and here it was 2.7 seconds for the full printed page, and here is for C3.7 page. And here you can see the security was F, first byte was F. Here you can see is BAAA. Everything is like green. So it's my highly recommendation to everyone, if stop using shared hosting, or else you're destroying your blogging career, you're destroying your option to become entrepreneur. It's time to move on with some best hosting. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.